Asuntoskeittiö Flemingin rinne.
Yeah. A beautiful elevator today here on Fleminginkatu 15 stages A. Connected to the stages B, which we can go to soon. This is also here in Kallio here, Helsinki Sports, modernized Finland. And today is the 27th of July 2023. This was built by Otis originally. Still with the original buttons.
Yeah,
When was it built?
1929, but this 33 is needless, but
Unfortunately.
it's
In B it's visible.
yeah.
Or
What?
modernized in 1984.
Yeah,
But the old buttons are intact.
yeah.
By issue commanded. Was that 18081?
Yeah, yes.
It's going to be set next year, 2024, when the modernization will be 40 years old, and it's turning, the elevator will be 95 years old. Still one of the best ones here in Kallio. I'll have the turner lights here. Right down.
Yeah.
At least nobody's going. Thank you. Let's continue. Right. I love that old song.
Yes, sir.
And the best is 3 choruses of the fucking drums here. Yeah, and better focus, please. Yeah.
Ni skulle dit pakiväis, mutta meitä ei pääs pohjissa.
The elevator is very quiet.
Yeah.
Guess we'll shut the
These are the last tries because these headers are going to be modernized after 1 or 2 years.
Unfortunately, in 2024-25 will be
Yeah.
modernized.
That's